Shane here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Project Escape. And I'm working on the hybrid escape today because of the flex pipe has rotted and is leaking. So I'm going to see exactly what I need to do on that. I bought a new flex pipe, but it's not original equipment flex pipe. So I have gotten under here and evaluated my situation. And I have basically two options here. This is the flex pipe, and I got two options. My first option is to cut flange right here and cut the flange right here and drop that out, and then slide this over that, slide this over that, clamp it down. That's one way. And then I'll have to take this piece here off of this one here and then weld it onto here, so now it stays up. My only issue is the vibration of cutting this on the ceramic inside the catalytic converter. Don't want that to break. Second option is to go ahead and buy the whole unit here, and then bust the bolts loose. I got 2 here and I got 3 there. Basically it's a price thing, because a new one's going to run you about $100 bucks. This runs you $39. Same amount of work, but it is definitely, and this is for somebody who's doing it himself. You know, if you go to a mechanic, he's going to go ahead and buy that whole unit. He's not going to cut flanges or anything. He's just going to charge you to replace that whole unit. So I think that might be my main option. I'm going to do it yourself. But either way, you're doing it yourself. So there's my brake. There's my brake and my flex pipe. Kind of looking to see where my brake is. I don't see anything. I thought my brake was. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just. Maybe it isn't leaking. Let me start it up. Let's see right here. When it's cold in the morning, I see smoke coming out of here. At least I thought. It'll last me another year. hear the noise. It's not around here. I thought it was around here. It's not. It's actually at the oh shit. Okay. No, actually, it is not the flex. It is actually holes where the wells are on the pipe here. And being a hybrid, it will shut down automatically once the batteries. So that's cool. No, you got a hole right here, and there's a hole right there. So there's nothing wrong with the flex. There's nothing wrong with the flex pipe after all, other than just the rear, your rear braid, which is no big deal. All right, so those you can get metal filler and fill those holes in, and that'll take care of that. No kidding. I'm not worrying about that till I actually have a hole in there. So yeah, the actual wells holding that on are wet leaking, not the flex pipe itself. So that is very. I'm really happy about that. The thing about I'm not happy about is where my oil leakage is coming from. I've got a little bit of oil leaking into here. I don't know where. Up higher here. I don't know. Get around the can. I don't know. I haven't had a chance to. I haven't done the oil change on this thing. It's getting real close to though. Alright. I'm happy about that. I don't have any filler, I don't think. JB, I got some JB Weld, that might do. Dude, you just gotta make sure, you gotta clean it up really well. And then, now freaking, I'm gonna go ahead and sandblast that area real quick. Sandblasting is, it's an S word there. Really don't like it. Makes a mess, and that's the thing. It makes a mess, and you want to be able to control those steel metal, whatever flakes are in there. You definitely want to be wearing a face mask when doing this. I need to get a new face mask because the plastic, you see the plastic eventually breaks. It's just barely hanging on there. So, and you'll notice I'm wearing my new style hat is a welding cap. So, but yeah. You definitely want to wear one of those, and it's a good idea. I'm gonna find my paper mask. I don't know where the heck that went to. And you want to wear gloves. You want to wear not doing a lot of, I'm just sanding that one little area. Maybe yeah, it wouldn't hurt. Have a set of glasses underneath the glasses. So, just keep in mind that stuff's coming out. Well, in this case, 120 psi. It really makes a mess. It gets everywhere. Everywhere. But it does a good job. The only reason I'm looking is I'm doing it. Concentrated on the